Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video. For today's look, I'm giving y'all this deep blue and yellow halo cut crease. I'm really feeling this look, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, at first it had me scared, but I had to trust the process and it pulled together real nice, y'all. Like, I'm really loving this blue and this yellow together. It is giving me life, okay? If you like this look, you want to see how to get it, continue to watch. But first, I want to say, if you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are not already. If you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. So I'm going to jump straight into this eye look. I primed my eyelids already, and I'm going to try to focus just primarily on my eyes today, just so this can be like a real in-depth tutorial, because I'm going to do a halo cut crease and it's going to be real colorful. So I want this to be like a real in-depth tutorial. But so yeah, I'm going to jump straight into the eyes, and I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. First color I'm going to take is this this like baby blue right here, and this is going to be the transition shade. So I'm going to put this in my crease. So now I'm going to take a different blending brush and stay in this palette, and I'm going to move over to the next blue color, which is like a darker blue. I'm going to go and pick that up and put this in my crease. Alrighty, yes. What y'all think? Y'all think that look good, huh? That look good. That look good. That looks good. I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go into this dark blue right here and pack it on my crease just like I did that last shade. I remember I used to be scared of colors. I used to play it safe every day and just do browns or reds. Now look at me, flourishing. Actually, doing the blue eyeshadow was the first time I did color and a cut crease with glitter, y'all. My first time doing everything. And I did everything. And surprisingly, I think it actually came out good. I wonder if I still got the picture in my Snapchat memories. That's when I knew I was built for this shit. But I'm gonna take that Morphe M433 brush and get that dark blue and blend it with the concealer so the blend looks seamless. So I'm not a pro at doing halos. I think I only did a halo cut crease like once. So this might look a little bit crazy, because I don't really practice these, but I'm practicing today. Okay, y'all, so here I'm going to insert small clips of me basically just trying to perfect my halo. This is me like going over it with concealer and then more eyeshadow. I was really trying to get this halo to get perfect, y'all, and it just was not going my way. So yeah, I'm going to continue to go over it and just try to get this halo as perfect as I can. Y'all, if y'all run into the same trouble that I'm running into, do not get discouraged. Like, just continue to go over it and just do it to the best of your ability. Like, that's really all that counts. Whatever, it can stay like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take a flat brush. So I'm gonna take this this one at the bottom, this little white pigment shimmer, whatever, and I'm gonna place it on top of the concealer. So once again, I'm gonna take that Morphe M433 brush and just push that blue in because I got a little bit messy with this white color. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the fluffy flat brush and I'm gonna take the ABH Dream Glow Kit, and I'm going to take this yellow highlight right here because this is like the only yellow shimmer I have. So it'll place it at the top of the halo. Okay, so that went on there purple instead of yellow. I'm gonna take this real bright yellow right here. So put the color at the top. Okay, y'all, so color change again because this is more of a green. I'm gonna go into this bright yellow right here. And I'm gonna take that flat brush and just go blend that white up into that yellow. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my face and then I'll be back to complete the eye look. Alright y'all, so back to finish the eyes. I'm gonna go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this bright yellow right here and run it down my waterline. Then I'm going to take this little orangish yellow at the top and also run that color down my waterline. For inner corner and brow highlight, I'm going to go into the ABH Dream Glow Kit palette, and I'm going to take that purple yellow color and place that in there. And I'm going to go finish my face, and I will be back with the finished look. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. It came together really nice. When I say trust the process, girl, trust the process, because this was a hot mess at first, but now that my face is completed, it pulled together really nice. This blue and this yellow looks so good together. I love it. So yeah, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but I even added like purple highlight. I'm not sure if you can see the fact that it's purple, but it is. So I really enjoyed making this video. I love this look. Hopefully you all did too and found it helpful and or inspiring. If you did, please do not forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video.